Good news everyone, npm version 5 has been released. Hi, let's talk today about npm version 5, Google I/O and parsing math expressions with JavaScript. I'm Anatol and you are watching the good parts of the frontend development. npm version 5 has been released. This new npm version is a pretty big step forward. Among these, improved performance, indentation, that is preserved for package.json by default, offline mode and fixed cache, etc. It seems Yarn pushes npm forward. It's a win-win situation for the developers. I think it's a good start. If you care about performance or you're having issues with low FPS, then you might find the article Monitoring Jank, how we found the slowest part of our UI helpful. Here you can read a story about performance optimization for level higher website. An article Node.js Streams Everything You Need to Know by Samer Buna covers the pipe method, stream events, posed and flowing methods of readable streams, and provides practical examples. It is available for Node.js beginners and for everyone who wants to dive deeper. Find a useful talk from Google I/O 2017 by Paul Irish, titled Chrome DevTools – The State of the Union 2017. Runs through new Chrome DevTools features. Now you can detect major performance and accessibility issues using auto-generated reports. One more interesting talk from Google I/O 2017 is The Future of Audio and Video in the Web. Covers the current state of media streaming for audio and video on the web and how to optimize media for all your users. The next article, Parsing Math Expressions with JavaScript, is a small journey in a mathematical world. You'll start with abstract syntax trees, fly over the shunting yard algorithm, and finally land in the code. You can find this article on Medium. The V8 JavaScript engine uses irregexp engine for regular expressions. In the article JavaScript Regular Expressions Fast and Slow, Jakob Gruber discusses the pitfalls of writing regular expressions this engine had trouble optimizing for. Chris Coyer posted an article, namely The Tools of an HTML Email Workflow. In general, it is a list of tools to create HTML templates, as well as test and send them out. As usual, you can read his article on CSS tricks. I dug up another interesting article on CSS tricks, named Better for Design, One Thing Per Page by Adam Silva. Here Adam describes UX problem with bloated pages, when the user sinks in tons of unnecessary information and loses his focus and final goal. The author proposed the solution, which he termed a one thing per page. The making of Receive WebGL 3D is the story of how the 3D WebGL version of Receive was created. Receive Web is an open-source strategy game implemented in HTML5 and WebGL. You can play this game, fetch the source code, or even contribute there. If you like this video, give it thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. This is all for this week. Thanks for watching and stay curious.